Hello, this is Yvonne from Art by Vonet, and as you can see, I actually did this a while ago on some cardboard. I hope you can see that. And this is, let me turn it over. This is what the back looks like. Came out of a big screen TV box, and my son was going to throw it away, and I asked him to give it to me. And so I drew this on here, painted it with a dove. And today, I did this maybe about 2 months ago, but this morning, as I saw it in the corner, I decided I wanted to add hair to her. And I have this, I had bought their dreads. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue it on here. And then I'm going to add this flower I got from the dollar store. I just looked in my stash to see what I had. And this is just an experiment. It's okay if it doesn't turn out right, but I'm going to have fun doing it. So let's get started. I've already preheated the hot glue, plugged in, and this is this is so long, I have to figure out how to do this effectively, and I'm left-handed, so that also makes it a little challenging. Excuse the noise, I had to move some water out of the way. So let's just see what we come up with. I made a little mark here, so I'm going to start there. And this is cardboard, so I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but let's do it. So I'm putting the glue down first, if it comes out, okay, and then I'm going to follow that line that I put in here. And be careful when you're working with a glue gun. I tell you, that thing gets hot, super hot. I can't tell you the times I've burnt myself. So that's the first one. Let's hold it down a little bit so it'll stick. Now I'm not going to glue it all the way down. I'm just going to glue it up to here, to where the head ends. And I want to try to get it where the glue is not showing, because I've tried this project before, using hair, and it's something new to me. I'm not that great at it. But I've seen other artists do this 3D art with hair, and so I like to just give it a try. Can't hurt, right? It's okay if the glue gets up on the top, because hopefully the flower is going to cover that and we won't see it. And I discovered that these pieces are not all even. So, and that's how it is with real hair. It's not always the same length. So far, it seems to be working okay. But I seem to keep getting the glue on the top part of it. But again, hopefully the flower will take care of that. You won't be able to see the glue. I don't know, have you ever used cardboard, repurposed cardboard to do art on it or something else? Share it in the comments. I personally love to use things that I can repurpose. I think it's so cool to see how things can turn out from something you already have at home. And it doesn't cost you anything but your time. And maybe buy a few little art supplies. And even that doesn't have to be expensive. Craft paint or something like that, which is relatively cheap. And it's not all about what you making stuff to sell, but it's just therapeutic. It's a form of self-care. And I love that about art. Anything artistic, music, drawing, painting, even sewing, sculpting, jewelry making, anything that takes you temporarily away from the stresses of life. And for me, this is an amazing way, and I love this. And I'm trying something that I haven't really done. I mean, tried it, but it didn't come out. This is actually the best one I've done so far, because I usually get glue all over it and it doesn't look good. But this one came out really well, except for I got the glue here. But again, let's see. Look, that flower is going to cover that, and that's cool. I'm thinking that might be enough. Let me see if I want to add any more here. Let's try, yeah, I'm going to do one more. Put that right there. There we go. I think that is good. I'm very happy with the way that came out. This one has a little, I didn't see that. It's like kind of bent. I don't like that, but I can't do anything about that. It's not bad, but I like it. I like the way the dreads look. Now, I forgot to cut this piece off of this flower, so I don't know if this is going to glue very well. So I meant to bring the scissors down to cut this because I noticed it before, but I forgot to do it. Let's see if I can wiggle it out of here without tearing up the flower. Well, you know what? That's going to, yeah, I'm not going to be able to do that without messing up the flower. So hopefully it'll work. So I'm actually going to put the glue directly on the flower and then place it. Oops, I burnt myself. Place it on here. Let's see if that's going to work. I'll hold it down a little bit. Make sure it's in place. That's not. That did not work because Yeah, the flower is coming up. I don't know, let's see if I hold it down. Okay. Yeah, I needed to hold it down a little till the glue actually solidifies with the flower. I may have to put another flower inside since I had to press it down. It looks kind of hollow. That's not too bad. I just want that flower to stay there. Yeah. What do you think? Let's see. Yeah. It's rather long, so I hope you can see. This is the bottom of her dress. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed following me in adding the hair to her. Thanks for watching.